If y'all have been stressing, overthinking, having weird dreams, and some insomnia that's been happening lately, then this video is for you. Let's see what message does the spirit have for you. See, I'll tell you all what. I feel like y'all are just going through a healing phase at this point. There's a lot of cleansing that's happening. Y'all are being advised to spend more time with people that feel like home to you, that bring you a lot of comfort, that also are reliable and give you a lot of advice. See, you are in need of guidance, constant reminders of not to go in a very negative thought spiral. I feel like you end up thinking about the past, or at least the impressions that the past has left you, the impression that it has left you is quite deep. So you keep ruminating over it, or repeating the same cycles at this point. There are new opportunities that's going to come for you. There are new doors that's going to open for you. Okay, I feel like there's also enough drive. There's new ideas that's popping into you. But I feel like there's a lack of proper execution because of all the things that's happening in the background, all this overthinking and repeating cycles. This will completely end in a span of 6 months. I feel like you will be in full alignment in a period of 1 year. Okay, like there's a karmic remedy that you can do. Make sure that you're helping people as much as you can. Maybe even do food donations, go and provide money to people, to needy people at this point. That is a karmic remedy that you can do at this point. And have patience. See, it's like it's an internal tug of war that you're going through. You are healing at the same time. You're also trying to move forward, grab a lot of opportunities, work on things. But it's like your system is not able to take all that at once. So you need to have some patience. Make sure that you're bringing more routine into your day, and have at least 3 to 4 hours where you're resting, maybe even doing nothing, reading a book, something that's less stimulating, so your body has enough space to release all these things. You have to create enough space within you for you to heal. So have patience, and also do not expect immediate results in whatever it is that you're working. Is going to be something long term. I feel like you'll see proper progress again in a year, and then things will only begin to build higher from there on. So that's it. That's the message for you.